In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the two-factor authentication settings in Hubspot. As cyber threats continue to evolve, protecting your digital accounts is more important than ever. Hubspot makes this easy by offering two-factor authentication, or 2FA, an extra layer of security that ensures only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. Let's get started. First, go to the official Hubspot website. You can either type HubSpot into your browser's search bar or enter the URL directly. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Remember to always keep your login details secure. After logging in, you'll land on your Hubspot homepage. From here, look toward the upper right corner for the settings icon. This may appear as a gear symbol or simply the word settings. Click on it to open HubSpot's full settings menu. Inside the settings panel, look for a section labeled security. This may be listed under account settings or privacy settings. Depending on your layout, select the security section to view all available security features for your account. Within the security settings, you'll find an option titled Setup Two-Factor Authentication or simply Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. HubSpot may first ask you to verify your identity to ensure it's really you making these changes. Next, you'll need an authenticator app on your mobile device if you don't already have one. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that you'll need every time you log into HubSpot. This ensures that even if someone gains access to your password, they still won't be able to enter your account without the second verification step. Follow the instructions provided by HubSpot to connect your Authenticator app. This usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your screen. Once the app is successfully linked to your HubSpot account, your two-factor authentication setup is complete. From now on, each time you log into HubSpot, you'll use both your password and the secure code from your Authenticator app. And that's it. Your HubSpot account now has an added layer of protection. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe and secure online. Happy HubSpotting.